So hello friends, welcome to the Flux studio. In this video we are going to show you how to convert a PDF file to AutoCAD drawing file. So now open your browser, internet browser, and here type PDF to DWG converter, and here you will be having an option any PDF to DWG converter and download. So from here you can download it. Here it is asking sign up with Google or Facebook, so I'm going to sign up with Google. Now here you can see that my file is downloaded. Now I'm going to open it. After opening it, what I have to do, I have to install it. I have to accept the agreement, and then yes, it is completed. Now from here you have to enter your file name. So output file type would be in DWG or DXF. You have to select it, and output file version you can select this from here. Now you have to select a folder where you want an output. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a plot of my file, and then we'll show you its output. So it has been saved. Okay, I want to save it as AutoCAD 2007 version. Now what I'm going to do, so here you can see that your file has been modulated, your PDF file has been modulated into DWG file. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.